In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PowerPoint to your Wix site. By the end, you'll have a clean button on your page that lets visitors open or download your PowerPoint file in just a click. Start by opening your site in the Wix website editor. Make sure you're on the page where you want people to access your PowerPoint. Now, we'll add a button that's specifically designed to connect to a document. Look for the option to add a new element, then choose Button. In the button options, select the Document Buttons category. These are pre-configured to link to files, which makes the process quick and reliable. Pick a button style you like and place it on your page. With the button selected, set its link type to Document. This tells Wix the button should open or download a file rather than navigate to another page. Next, click Choose a Doc. This opens the site's Media Manager, where you can upload your PowerPoint or pick one you've already added. If your presentation isn't there yet, upload your .ppt or .pptx file from your computer. Keep file names clear and simple so you can identify them later. Large files can take longer to load for your visitors, so if your deck is heavy, consider compressing images in PowerPoint before uploading. Once your file appears in the Media Manager, select it and confirm. You'll see the document attached to your button. If you ever need to replace the presentation without redesigning the button, use the Change File option while the button is selected. That way, you can keep the same placement and styling, and simply swap in an updated deck. At this point, you can also fine-tune the button text to something descriptive, like View Presentation or Download PowerPoint, so visitors know what to expect when they click. When everything looks good, publish your site. Publishing pushes your changes live so your audience can access the presentation. After publishing, click Done to wrap up. If you want to double-check the experience, open your live site in a new tab and try the button yourself to ensure the file opens or downloads as intended. That's it. You've added a PowerPoint to your Wix site using a dedicated document button, linked the correct file, and published your changes. This approach keeps things simple for you and seamless for your visitors, and it's easy to update later without redesigning your page.